So there are a couple ways to get started with Slido, and the first is to go straight to their website, which is slido.com. And there you'll create an account, which essentially you can just do the login with Google option, and then you don't have to remember any more passwords. The other option is to go to Google Slides and use the Google Slido add-on, and then it will also prompt you to create an account that way. So when you're in Google Slides, the first thing you need to do is get the Slido add-on. So if you don't already have it, you would click on Get Add-ons, and you would simply search for Slido. So I would type in here Slido for Google Slides, and I would add it by clicking that. I already have it installed, so I don't need to take that step. Once you have it and you're in a slideshow, if you want to use Slido, all you need to do is click it. You see it adds it to your Google Slides toolbar here, and you want to create a session. I have some previous sessions, but I'm going to create a new one for this particular slide deck. So then once I'm in my slide deck, I can create it as usual. And whenever I want to add a Slido feature, which could be a live poll, a quiz, or a Q&A slide, all you would have to do is click on the box that applies. And then I have a choice. Do I want to ask a multiple choice question, an open text, create a word cloud, have students do a rating, or I can even embed a quiz. So I'll select the word cloud. I'll type in my question. How are you feeling today? I'll let my attendees submit multiple answers if I choose, and then I would save it. Then when it comes to presenting my slideshow, I want to make sure I'm presenting with Slido rather than just the regular present button. Present with Slido. You click on it, and when you start the slideshow, you'll see that in the present mode, when I get to that slide, there's my question, how are you feeling today? My participants can either access the Slido using the QR code, or they can join by going to slido.com and entering this code. So I'll just show you what that looks like. So if I go to slido.com, and it says enter my code, which was W770, it will take me to the interactive version. How are you feeling today? So I can type in, I'm feeling happy. I'm feeling energized. And I'll start to see those responses pop up. I can even add more responses. I'll show you what happens if we add multiple responses. So if several people say happy, you'll see that the word cloud starts to make that one term grow. So if we go back to our slideshow view, you'll see, it just takes a minute to load, that this is what the viewers of the slideshow would see. As people are adding comments in real time, they will pop up on this slide and multiple responses will start to grow larger. So you'll get a real sense of how your audience is feeling or thinking about a certain topic. So just to show you some of the different options with Slido, you'll see that there is a free basic version. That's all I have ever used. There are other options, but with the free version, you can have up to 100 participants on each Slido. You can have unlimited audience question and answers, and you can have 3 polls per event. So per slideshow, for example. So even with the free version, you can still get lots of use out of it for your classes. And one of the great things about it is the students never actually have to share any of their personal information because they're just joining with that code.